Assalamu alaikum students. Class 5 subject EVS 1 chapter number 22 growth and personality development. First question, what's the solution? Kabir wants to be a professor of zoology. What can he do today to prepare for that? Answer, Kabir has to start it from school. He has to search and study about animals, their habits, their habitat and their food. He has to read books and watch the Discovery Channel. When he goes to college, he will find that things are not so difficult. Question number 2, use your brain power. In that first question, what skills do we already have before we learn to ride a bicycle? Answer, we have the skill of balancing and pedaling and very important of concentration. Question number 2, Suman wishes to run a restaurant of her own in the future. Which of the skills she is learning today will be of use in her future occupation? Answer, managing household accounts, cooking, keeping the house clean, making the place attractive, learning to be polite and cordial to strangers, using a computer. These skills will surely help Suman. Question number 3, answer the following questions. In that first one, what is meant by heredity? Answer, being born with certain features and traits that are common with the members of our family is known as heredity. There are inherited traits. These traits have come down from our family genes. Question number 2, what differences do we see between children in pre-primary classes and children in standard 5? Answer, children in primary classes cannot take care of their books, bags and clothes. Everything has to be done by their parents. They are just starting to write. They cannot read. They do not know how to comb their hair and wear clothes and shoes. Children in the fifth are big enough to do all the jobs mentioned above and even more activities. They can read books and play games. They can sing and dance and tell stories too. Question number 3, what changes take place in us from birth till adulthood? Answer, we grow in height and weight from birth to adulthood. We learn skills on a continuous basis and become expert in the skills. With age and with age our physical strength also increases. Every individual slowly makes progress. Question number 4, what is meant by physical growth? Answer, growing in height and weight means physical growth. Becoming taller and developing one's body structure and becoming older means physical growth, sorry. Question number 4, true or false? In that first one, a baby gradually learns to perform newly learned tasks without making mistakes. Answer, false. Question number 2, a birth at birth we already have all skills. Answer, false. Question number 3, we cannot manage all our tasks entirely by ourselves. Answer, true. Our height increases from birth till we grow old. Answer, false. With this, we have come to the end of our notes.